Grimeton radio station is a powerful site in the Swedish countryside. Its towering antennae stand tall against the backdrop of lush greenery, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. The station is not just a relic of the past, but a symbol of the evolution of communication technology over the decades. Near the picturesque town of Varberg, Grimeton radio station serves as a poignant reminder of how far we've come in the realm of communication. The serene landscapes of Varberg juxtapose the monumental significance of Grimeton, highlighting the station's role in bridging distances and connecting people across continents. Built in the 1920s, Grimeton was a groundbreaking achievement in the field of wireless communication. During its heyday, it played a crucial role in connecting Sweden to the rest of the world, especially during times of conflict and uncertainty. The station's operators, with their dedication and expertise, ensured that messages were transmitted across vast distances, making Grimeton an indispensable asset during wars and other critical periods. But Grimeton isn't just old history. Today it stands as a living museum, attracting visitors from all corners of the globe. People come to marvel at its engineering brilliance and to understand the pivotal role it played in shaping modern communication. The station's preservation allows us to step back in time and appreciate the technological advancements that have brought us to the present day. The vintage radio equipment on display at Grimeton showcases the clever and inventive spirit of the early 20th century. Engineers and technicians of that era pushed the boundaries of what was possible, laying the groundwork for the sophisticated communication systems we rely on today. Their pioneering efforts remind us of the importance of innovation and the relentless quest for progress. Recognizing its historical and technological significance, Grimeton radio station was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This prestigious status underscores the station's value as a cultural and scientific landmark. The UNESCO designation ceremony was a moment of pride, celebrating Grimeton's enduring legacy and its contribution to the global heritage of communication. Grimeton represents a special time in history when wireless communication was first being developed. The station's story is intertwined with the broader narrative of technological progress, illustrating the leaps and bounds made in the field of communication. From the early days of Morse code to the advent of modern digital communication, Grimeton stands as a beacon of innovation and progress. People from all over the world still come to see Grimeton, and it never fails to amaze them. Guided tours offer a deep dive into the station's rich history, allowing visitors to experience firsthand the marvels of early 20th century technology. Enthusiastic guides share fascinating stories and insights, making each visit to Grimeton a memorable journey through time. The station's enduring appeal lies in its ability to connect the past with the present, inspiring future generations to appreciate the wonders of communication technology. The heart of Grimeton is the Alexanderson alternator. This machine is not just a piece of equipment, it is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. Standing tall and proud, it represents a bygone era where mechanical marvels ruled the world of communication. This incredible machine was invented by a smart Swedish engineer named Ernst Alexanderson. Born in 1878, Alexanderson was a visionary who foresaw the potential of radio waves in global communication. His work laid the foundation for many modern technologies we take for granted today. Unlike the radios we have today, the Alexanderson alternator uses spinning magnets to create radio waves. These spinning magnets generate alternating currents at very high frequencies, which are then transmitted as radio waves. This process is both fascinating and complex, showcasing the brilliance of early 20th century engineering. This makes Grimeton the only station left that can send messages this old way, without any modern electronics. The station stands as a living museum, preserving the legacy of early radio communication. It offers a unique glimpse into the past, where messages were sent across vast distances using purely mechanical means. Seeing the Alexanderson alternator is amazing. Visitors are often left in awe by its sheer size and the intricacy of its design. It's not just a machine. It's a piece of history that tells the story of human innovation and the relentless pursuit of progress. It's massive and complicated, showing off how skilled engineers were back then. The alternator's components are a testament to the precision and craftsmanship of the engineers who built it. Each part works in harmony to create a machine that was ahead of its time. This technology let people talk across the Atlantic Ocean before we even had regular radios. It bridged continents and brought people closer together, making the world a smaller place. The Alexanderson alternator was not just a technological marvel, it was a symbol of the limitless possibilities of human ingenuity. World War II caused problems everywhere, even in Sweden, which wasn't fighting in the war. Regular ways of talking to other countries became unreliable. But Grimeton, with its strong transmitter, became a lifeline. During the war, skilled operators at Grimeton sent important information across the Atlantic. They sent news, messages between governments, and even personal letters. The station was super important for keeping Sweden informed and connected during a scary time for the whole world. Because Grimeton is so important to history and technology, it was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2004. This is a big honor. It shows how special and valuable Grimeton is to everyone in the world. It also makes sure that Grimeton will be protected for many years to come. Being on the World Heritage List proves how important Grimeton is. It reminds us how powerful communication is and how important it is for countries to work together. Today, Grimeton Radio Station is a lively museum all about the history of wireless communication. When you visit, it's like traveling back in time. You can explore the station's well-preserved buildings and equipment. You can see the technology that connected people across continents 100 years ago. Grimeton is a fun, hands-on experience for people of all ages. Interactive exhibits and knowledgeable guides make the station's history come alive. Visitors leave with a newfound respect for the inventors of radio and how their work changed the world. Every year, on a special day called Alexanderson Day, Grimeton radio station comes to life. The station's giant Alexanderson alternator is turned on, and it sends out Morse code messages that people all over Europe can pick up on their radios. This yearly event celebrates the station's history and how it's still important today. People from around the world visit Grimeton for Alexanderson Day to see this amazing event. It reminds us how powerful radio is, and how interesting this old technology still is. Grimeton radio station wants to teach kids about the history and science of communication technology. The station has special programs for students of all ages. These programs let kids try things out with their own hands, making learning about radio fun and exciting. Grimeton inspires young minds to explore science, technology, engineering, and math. The station's programs help kids develop a love for these subjects, ensuring that new discoveries and inventions will continue. Grimeton radio station shows how clever people are, and how much we've always wanted to connect with each other. Now, we can talk to anyone in the world instantly, but Grimeton reminds us of a time when sending a message across the ocean was a huge accomplishment. Grimeton's importance goes beyond its impressive technology. It symbolizes countries working together and how communication can bring people from different cultures closer. Grimeton will always amaze and inspire everyone who visits. Grimeton radio station is much more than just a museum. It stands as a beacon of human creativity and determination, a place where history and technology converge to tell a compelling story. Located in Sweden, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a marvel of early 20th century engineering, representing a pivotal moment in the history of global communication. It's a living reminder of what people can achieve when they use their ingenuity. The station's massive Alexanderson alternator, a high-frequency generator, was once at the cutting edge of technology, enabling transatlantic wireless communication. This was a time when the world was just beginning to shrink, thanks to the power of radio waves. It shows how much we've always wanted to learn and connect with the world. The Grimeton radio station played a crucial role in bridging continents, making it possible for people to communicate across vast distances. This desire to connect, to share knowledge and experiences, is a fundamental aspect of human nature. As technology keeps advancing, Grimeton helps us remember the inventors who made it all possible. The station is not just a relic of the past, it is a source of inspiration for future generations. By examining the technological advancements from the early 20th century to today, we can appreciate the leaps and bounds we've made in communication technology. Grimeton's story is a testament to the human spirit of innovation and how important it is to preserve our technological history. The efforts to maintain and restore the station are a tribute to the visionaries who saw the potential of radio waves to connect the world. These preservation efforts ensure that future generations can witness and learn from these groundbreaking achievements. It's a place where the past comes alive, reminding us of the incredible things people have accomplished and inspiring future generations to aim for the stars. By visiting Grimeton, people of all ages can engage with history in a tangible way, sparking curiosity and a passion for innovation. The station stands as a powerful reminder that with creativity, determination, and a willingness to push boundaries, we can achieve extraordinary things.